Your litigation practice is constantly producing court documents, letters, filings, forms, and notices or claims while under a tight deadline. That is a given. Many litigation practices still copy and paste the information from old precedents to produce new documents, which is both time-consuming and prone to costly errors and omissions. There is a better way. The solution is ACL, Automated Civil Litigation. Here is how it works. Enter some basic file information, select the type of proceeding, and ACL does the rest. ACL generates over 3,500 different court forms, litigation documents, and letters. Your firm's content can even be added to your ACL. You can assemble multiple documents at the same time, formatted perfectly, complete with signature lines, back pages, and cover letters with all of the details you want and need to include. Getting started with ACL is easy, and it requires no capital investment. Installation, full staff training, content, software and technical support, and content and software updates are all included at no cost. Join the over 10,000 litigators, clerks, and assistants from over 500 firms who use ACL and focus your time on what you do best: content, not formatting. With ACL, it's litigation made easy. Call us to find out more today.